Hey, hi everybody. My name is Arvind Upadhyay. I am author over 100 books on self-help, on business, on personal development. Every topics you can psychology, all of topics I have categorized and make a product for you, so you can utilize that for your personal growth, for your business growth, for your psychology, for your mindset, for your purpose, for your mission, for your goals, for your dreams. So you read my books every day to make a change in your life, and you want the life that you want, we want the business that you want. You can learn the techniques in the strategies and base that can make your business, that can make your life successful. So I'm talking about that everything now these days work on behalf of good relationship. If you have good relationship with your customer, they will come back to you. If you have good relationship with your parents, with your family, they will trust on you, and they will live, and they will talk to you, and they will happily survive with you. So everything working now these days on building a good relationship. So my suggestion is here that if you're in the business, you have to build the good relationship with your customers. If you are in life, you have to build a good relationship with your friends, with your colleague, with your boss, with your friends, and everybody. If you're maintaining good relationship, trust me, no one can stop you to becoming successful. No one can stop you to achieving your goals. No one can stop you to making what you want.